Do you dream of living in a big, beautiful home? Maybe one with a pool, extra bedrooms, or a big backyard? If so, you might need a special kind of loan to help you pay for it. It's called a jumbo loan. In this video, we're going to talk about what a jumbo loan is, who might need one, and how you can qualify for one in 2025. So if you're thinking about buying a luxury home, keep watching. Let's start with the basics. What is a jumbo loan? A jumbo loan is a home loan that's bigger than most regular loans. It's used when the house you're buying costs more than the amount allowed for a regular mortgage, also called a conforming loan. In most places, the limit for a regular loan in 2025 is around $750,000. But if the home you want to buy costs more than that, you'll need a jumbo loan to cover the extra cost. That's why jumbo loans are often used for luxury homes or homes in high-cost areas. Now, let's talk about how to qualify for a jumbo loan. You need good credit. When you apply for a jumbo loan, the lender wants to make sure you're good at paying back money. This means you'll need a high credit score, usually at least 700 or higher. If your credit score is lower, it doesn't mean you can't qualify, but it might be harder or you might have to pay a higher interest rate. 2. You'll need a big down payment. A down payment is the money you pay up front when you buy a house. For jumbo loans, the down payment is usually larger than for regular loans. Most of the time, you'll need at least 10% to 20% of the home's price as your down payment. So, if the home costs $1 million, you might need to bring $100,000 to $200,000 to the table. That's a lot of money, but remember, you're buying a more expensive home, so the rules are a little different. 3. Show strong income and job history. The lender will want to see that you make enough money to afford the big monthly payments. That means showing proof of a steady income, like pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements. They'll also look at something called your debt-to-income ratio. That's a fancy way of saying how much of your income goes to paying debts like credit cards, car loans, or other bills. For a jumbo loan, lenders usually want your debts to be no more than 43% of your total income. 4. More paperwork may be needed. Because jumbo loans are bigger and a little riskier for lenders, they may ask for extra documents. This can include bank statements, proof of assets, or letters from your employer. It might feel like a lot, but don't worry, a good loan officer will help guide you through every step. 5. An appraisal is really important. Before you get a jumbo loan, the lender will order an appraisal. This is when a professional checks the home to make sure it's really worth the price you're paying. If the home's value is too low, you may not get approved for the loan, or you might need to put more money down. Now you might be wondering, why go through all this? Well, a jumbo loan helps people buy their dream homes. It gives you the power to buy a bigger, better, or more unique house, one that regular loans might not cover. Just remember, jumbo loans are not for everyone. But if you've saved up, have strong credit, and are ready for a luxury home, it could be a perfect choice. Let's do a quick review of what you need to qualify for a jumbo loan in 2025. A high credit score, usually 700 or above. A bigger down payment, usually 10 to 20%. Proof of strong income and low debt. Extra documents like tax returns and bank statements. A home appraisal that matches the purchase price. And that's it. You're now one step closer to understanding how jumbo loans work and how to qualify. If you're thinking about buying a luxury home this year, or just want to learn more about your options, we're here to help. For more information, be sure to connect with us. We'd love to answer your questions and guide you through the process. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.